Okay. So guys, what we are going to do today, I'm gonna allow you to speak upon any topic, right? You can speak upon any topic, whatever topic you have chosen. You have freedom. You don't need to tell about your daily routine, your self intro, and very common topics that we have already discussed. So what we need to speak? Any new topic that can tell something new to people who are listening to you. And that's what you need to do. And now we have got a person who is going to start. Who is that?
Sir, I.
Sir,
Nitin.
Nitin. Very good. So Nitin is going to start, guys. Come on, clap for him, everybody. So this is the time I'm gonna use it, right? Okay. So you have to speak for 1 minute, more than 1 minute, right?
Okay,
And
sir.
maximum 2 minutes.
Sure.
So the time has 1 to 2 minutes,
minutes.
right? So let's start. I'm going to start 1, and on the count of 3, we'll start speaking, right? So 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone. I am
Hello.
talking about
Hey,
the
come on,
benefits
guys. I
of-
need to start again. You need to say hi, hello when somebody speaks to you, somebody greets you. Hi, hello. आप ऐसे बैठे हैं जैसे नींद में हो, तो जग जाइए पहले. Are you awake?
Yes, sir.
अरे क्या आप जगे हो? Are you awake?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you energetic?
Yes, sir.
Are you lazy?
No, sir.
Are you crazy to learn English?
Yes, sir.
So speak aloud. Come on, everybody. फिर से शुरुआत करेंगे. ओपनिंग खराब कर दी, बोनी खराब कर दी आप लोगों ने. So come on, be energetic. As he says, hi. आप सब कहेंगे hello. क्या कहेंगे?
Hello.
हाई भी कह सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट हेलो ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. सो कम ऑन, शुरू करेंगे फिर से ऑन द काउंट ऑफ 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hello everyone. I am talking about the benefits of English language. The learning English is the very important for today's world. English is the used for most of the field like business, education and entertainment. It is using in almost country of the world. It is using in almost country of the world. English help us in our career growth. Most of the companies need the employee who speak and write English. Learning English, we can get job opportunities not only in India but also in abroad. Lots of information available in English. Most of the world's books, website and research paper written in English. We can get lots of information by learn English. English connect the people around the world. Whether we are traveling for fun or work, we can easily connect with people of the country. English boost our confidence. And thank you for listening me.
Very nice. Come on, guys. Give a huge round of clapping for him, everybody. Come on. Very nice effort. Okay, so that boy spoke very well. I was expecting the same. बहुत अच्छा इन्होंने बोला है. He was looking very confident, but there was problem with eye contact. कभी कभी भगवान को याद कर रहे थे भाई साहब, कभी कभी ऊपर देख के यूं करके बोल रहे थे. तो when you speak, make sure you look at the people, you look at the audience who are listening to you. Okay, you do not need to look upward. अगर आप ऊपर देखेंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा भगवान से बात कर रहे हैं सीधा, या आपने फर्रा चिपकाया हो छत पे, उसे आप देख रहे हैं. So make sure you have to speak by keeping your eye contact at the audience. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, शुरुआत करते हैं. नॉट शुरुआत नहीं, अब इसमें एक सस्पेंस मैंने और डाल दिया है, एक नया ट्विस्ट और डाल दिया है कहानी में. What is that twist? Now he will decide कि नेक्स्ट इंसान कौन बोलेगा. यानी जो भी इंसान बोलेगा किसी टॉपिक पे, उसे एक अथॉरिटिक राइट मिल जाएगा कि वो नेक्स्ट इंसान का सिलेक्शन चयन करेगा कि ये है नेक्स्ट इंसान बोलने वाला. चलो भाई, तो मेक राइट. वेरी गुड. चलो भाई, सर अमित के लिए क्लैपिंग करेंगे. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. क्लिप नहीं लगाई आपने कभी? यूं करके, ऐसे करके. गुड, वेरी नाइस. हाथ ऐसे करो. ये हाथ कांप क्यों रहे आपके? अरे इतना मत डरिए, क्योंकि जो डर गया, थोड़ा इधर आओ, थोड़ा ऐसे यहाँ खड़े हो जाओ. जो डर गया समझो
मर गया.
नहीं 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 नहीं, घर गया, घर गया, मरना नहीं है. चलिए करते हैं शुरुआत फटाफट से. 1, 2 एंड हाँ, वन मोर थिंग आई हैव नोटिस, व्हेन समबडी इज स्पीकिंग, आप लोग सोए हुए हो, आप उनको ध्यान से सुनेंगे. ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड स्पोकन बाय देम, यू नीड टू पे अटेंशन, राइट? सो आप ना गर्दन से पता लगता है कि सुन रहे हो, आप ऐसे करते रहते हो गर्दन ऐसे. आपको शी स्लीपिंग, ये ऐसे करके हाँ नींद ले रही है लड़की. हाथ नीचे करो ऐसे और सीधा अपने ताकत से अपने हेड को संभालो, सहारे से नहीं। तो कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी शुड लुक एनर्जेटिक, क्योंकि यू आर बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड, ठीक है? आपके घर वालों की वीडियो भेजी जाएगी। ओके, 1 2 3।
Hello everyone, my topic is my first salary.
कीप योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, कम ऑन, फिर से। हाँ, हाथों को अपने टमी के आगे, ओके? यू नीड टू कीप यूजिंग योर हैंड्स, लटकाना नहीं है। डोंट कीप हैंगिंग हैंड्स। हाथों को ऐसे 5 उंगली निकालो, ऐसे मिला 5 उंगली आपस में, और ऊपर करो, और ये ऐसे हो सकता है, ये फिर भी ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा बढ़िया नहीं है। बेसिकली तो आपको ऐसे करो, हाथ ऊपर ऐसे रख लो या तो, ठीक है? या 5 उंगली ऐसे करो, ये वाला सबसे बढ़िया लगता है मुझे, और यूज करो हाथों को। सो गाइस, टुडे आई वांट टू टेल यू समथिंग स्पेशल दैट इज गोइंग टू चेंज योर लाइफ, नॉट योर वाइफ, राइट? व्हाटएवर। तो ऐसे हाथों को यूज करेंगे, ठीक है? 5 उंगली मिलाओ, इनके जो टिप्स हैं इन्हें आपस में मिलाओ, ऐसे ऐसे, है ना? ऐसे यूज करके हल्का फुल्का इधर उधर, फिर से वापस वहीं ले आना है, ठीक है? चलिए, और डरना नहीं है, गलत हो जाए कोई नहीं, चलेगा, सब चलेगा, बट यू हैव टू स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली। कम ऑन, कहाँ गई मेरी घड़ी? ओके, घड़ी वहीं रह गई। चलिए, तो शुरू करते हैं। द टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
Hello everyone, my topic is my first salary. The most memorable day of my life
वंडरफुल।
when I got my first month salary. I was very happy that day. My salary was 15,000 rupees. My I give my first salary to my mother, and my mother me 5,000 rupees.
ओके,
Out of it, I spent it of my own uses. I was very happy that day. That's the day.
okay, very nice. Come on guys, clap for him, everybody clap together. Very nice, very good, very good. He spoke very well, although he committed some mistakes, because mistakes are the part of life. इसीलिए थोड़ा बहुत तो मिस्टेक होंगी, बट कोई बात नहीं है। इट इज न्यू बैच, धीरे धीरे हम सीखेंगे कहाँ सेकंड फॉर्म लगानी है, कहाँ थर्ड फॉर्म लगानी है। बढ़िया कोशिश की आपने, और सबसे बढ़िया काम। कहानी सच्ची है झूठी?
सच्ची है।
सच्ची है, बहुत अच्छा काम किया। देखो ऐसे नहीं, कौन आजकल तो सैलरी मिलते ही सबसे पहले लोग पार्टी करते हैं दोस्तों के साथ, बट ही गिव दैट सैलरी टू हिज मॉम। मम्मी को, मम्मी ने 5,000 वापस दे दी। मम्मी बढ़िया है, हमारी मम्मी तो पूरा रख लेती, कहती चल जा,
सर रख लेते हैं।
हाँ, वेरी नाइस। चलिए, बहुत अच्छे। नाउ ही विल डिसाइड हु इज गोइंग टू स्पीक द नेक्स्ट। हु इज द नेक्स्ट पर्सन? इट विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय हिम। कम ऑन। गौरांग के लिए जोरदार क्लैपिंग करेंगे एवरीबॉडी। कम ऑन, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर हिम। गुड, क्लैपिंग जबरदस्त नहीं हुई, फिर से वन मोर टाइम। सो गौरांग, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स। Oh, very nice. Okay, so your time starts. ठीक है, करते हैं शुरू। 1 2 3। और जब ये हाय बोलेंगे, जैसे उन्होंने किसी ने हेलो बोला था, तो थोड़ा समय दो उनको हेलो बोलने का। आप हाय ऐसे नहीं बोलो, हाय एवरीवन, वो बोलेंगे हेलो। सो गाइस, माय नेम इज दिस एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक अपॉन दिस टॉपिक। थोड़ा और उसे अच्छा बनाओ। आई होप यू विल लिसन टू मी केयरफुली, ठीक है? चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
Hello everyone.
हेलो।
Today I'm going to tell about on games, on games history. So shall I start?
यस।
So the history of game was, when first game was invented, there is a guy, William Higginbotham. He's a physicist, and the first game was invented in 1952. The first game was played on a mini computer and mainframe. The scientists are making computers on 90s, so they make a simple game to run in their framework. So the first game was invented like this, and now you can see there is over 5 million games right now today on the date, and they're like they are like in all genres like funny, comedy, horror, romantic, and everything. There's a game launched recently, Black Myth Wukong. You guys like, if you saw that game's graphic, you know that are
That how amazing it is.
how amazing it is and how grateful the developers who make that game in like this time and with that graphics and with that story. Like it is a mythological game, so I suggest you guys to like watch because that was bit.
I'm sure that you would love it. You would like it, right?
You will love it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good. Very nice. Very good. Awesome. Okay, now this time you did well. Very good. Come on, take your seat and decide now. Mr. Gaurang would tell us who is going to speak next. कौन आने वाले हैं next व्यक्ति?
Gaurav.
ये क्या हो रहा है? बॉयज को ही इनवाइट कर रहे हैं स्पीकिंग के लिए, यानी अभी भी शर्माहट है आपके अंदर, अभी भी आपके अंदर क्या है? घबराहट, हेजिटेशन, लड़कियों का नाम लेने में डर रहे हो आप।
Sir Shalu. Sir Shalu.
नहीं, अब नहीं बदलेगा, अब गड़बड़ हो गई। ये तो मैंने आपको मोटिवेट किया, बिना मोटिवेशन के लेना था। अब गौरव देखो तैयार हो चुका है बोलने के लिए। कम ऑन, गौरव को माइक दिया जाए। कम ऑन सो गाइस, पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर गौरव। सो गौरव, आर यू रेडी टू स्पीक?
Yes, sir.
डू यू फील लाइक स्पीकिंग?
Yes, sir.
एम आई फोर्सिंग यू?
No, sir.
इट्स ओके। चलिए, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। 1 2 3।
So, good morning, all of you.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
My name is Gaurav, and today I am talking about how we are improve our English. And you saw lots of videos on YouTube, and there are lots of content creator, and who are saying that you are doing reading, writing, and lots of things that's definitely help you for improve your English. But I am telling about my experience. Your goal is the most important thing, because after 15 days and maybe 20 days after, you are feeling demotivated. In that situation, your goal always motivate you. So according to me, you first of all you choose your goal and then start your journey. Okay, so in my self, I will choose my journey as I want to clear my interview, so that's why I improve my English. And there are lots of fields there, like when you are going for your business, so then you have a English communication skills, so then you are able to go good in your business. So there are lots of fields, and even you are you want to crack your government exam, so you are preparing for your English because there are some grammars, so that's why. And writing and reading is also helpful, and maybe according to me, listening somebody is the most important and the most difficult task when we understand, when we are in the stage when we are learning English, because listening is that the thing that our brain are not habitual to tackle those words, so that's why, and grab those words. And when you are when you are watching more and more movies, because there are lots of content on YouTube nowadays, and you are definitely one day reach your fluency. And I am talking about one more thing. Fluency and speaking are the different things. When first of all you start your journey, you first of all focus on your speaking, and after time you are. So thank you for giving chance.
Very nice, wonderful, very good. What a confidence. Very nice. So you might have seen he spoke very confidently. Some mistakes were there, but mistakes can be made to learn, right? So very good thing he did. He spoke very well. Now he has power to decide the next person, next candidate for the election.
So I will choose Sam.
शालू के लिए जोरदार क्लैपिंग करेंगे. Come on guys, put your hands together. है ना, ऐसे करके बच्चे, ठीक है? चलिए. So come on, let's see how Shalu is going to speak. She's one of the most
Sir, start.
confident persons of this class. So 1 2 3.
So, good morning, everyone. My name is Shalu. So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Shalu. Today, I'm going to a motivational short story. So, there was a boy, and he came visit to his grandfather home during a summer vacation. So one day, and he always used to play with the grandfather anytime. So one day he said to his grandfather, when I grow up, I want to become successful man. So how I am become a successful man? Tell me anything about this. So grandfather smiled and he took a boy nearby nursery and he bought two plants and he came back home. And first plant he kept inside the house and second plant he kept outside the house. And grandfather said to the boy, son, dear son, what you think, which plant will grow better? So the son said to the grandfather, I think the inside the plant will grow better because it is not faced any problem, but the outside the plant will not grow better because he faced a very problem like storm, rain, and anything. So the grandfather smiled. After 4 years, grandfather smiled and said to the boy, let's see what happened in the future. So after 4 years ago, the boy came back, visit grandfather house again, and he said to grandfather, last time I asked to you how to become a successful man. So you did not answer me, so that time you give me answer. The grandfather said to the boy, smiled and said
okay,
to the boy,
carry on.
okay sir, thank you.
Arey, carry on.
Okay. So say to the boy, ki first let's see the plants. So let's see the plant. So the boy saw the plant. Inside the plant will not grow better. The outside the plant will grown a big tree. So the grandfather said to the boy, क्या कहते हैं, what do you think which plant
Grew better.
which plant
Yes.
which plant will be successful? So the grandfather, the boy said, grandfather, outside the plant it will grow better. So the grandfather said to boy, outside the plant face a many problem, but dealing a problem is too good in your life. So grandfather lastly said to the boy, if you are ready to struggle, if you are ready to difficult, so nobody stop to you a successful man. So thank you everyone.
Okay, good clapping for Shalu. Okay, Shalu की mistake को मैंने सही कराने की कोशिश की. No. I would speak in the same way as I have read the story. So come on, let's see who is gonna. She will decide. Yes, give me the mic.
Harshita
Come on.
bhi.
Give me my mic. वो 5 दे रही है, वो 5 दे रही है. अब कंपटीशन फिर चालू हो गया है. Okay, boys invited boys, girls are inviting girls. इस हिसाब से तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that person would not speak today. He would come at the last. Good. चलिए. So come on guys, put your hands together for Harshita. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Harshita. Today I related my life, my story, the real life story. 2012, my father is accident in a road. So he is left. Then my mother very struggle. She always protect me and my eldest brother. She always take care and she always hardworking. She always supported me and my eldest brother. She always educated me high level educated me and my elder brother. She always every wishes me and my eldest brother completed. He is very hardworking lady. But my father's family, my mother says that you are nothing. But she faced all all problem, but she never gave up. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that was a nice effort. Although she chose difficult topic to speak upon, but good effort. लेकिन अभी इनकी जो आई कांटेक्ट है दैट्स नॉट अप टू द मार्क. इन्हें देखो, ये जो सीधे सीधे बच्चे हैं इधर देखो, नहा के भी आई है. लुक एट देम गाइस सो दैट यू कैन बी फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. चलिए, whose name are you going to take? शालू की मत सुनिएगा. हाँ हाँ. So come on, I forgot your name. What's your name? Divyansh is going to speak. Come on, guys, clap for him. Everybody, all together. Good. Yes. So
hey
Divyansh.
guys, good morning. My name is Divyansh Melawat, and I thought really hard on what topic should I pick. Then I remembered that I had just recently finished
up.
watching Mahabharat, so I thought I will just give my thoughts about that series. So basically, it was a war held in previous era. It was fought between Kauravas and Pandavas. It was a fearful battle fought on the land of
Kurukshetra.
Kurukshetra. Yeah, it was it had so much bloodshed that the land soil of the land turned red. It was held for re-establishment of the righteousness, and one of my favorite characters in that series was Bhishma. He was oldest yet the strongest one in the series. He always followed the path of righteousness, but because of one mistake, he performed in the past, that he took an oath to protect, leave the throne and serve as a servant for the throne of Hastinapur. This oath of his led to destruction of whole Kuru Vansh, and ultimately led to his death. He almost served for more than 200 years to throne of Hastinapur. Okay, so it's a great, really big topic, and I haven't prepared much, so that will be my time.
Good, very nice. Okay, that was very difficult topic that he spoke upon about Mahabharata, and he told us, yes. It's okay, that's good. Okay, we have to speak anything. We have to show that we are ready to speak English now. Okay, if somebody gives us any topic, we must be able to speak something. If we are not able to speak upon a certain topic, that means we are not learning. Okay, so we have to prove by speaking upon any topic, and that's you did well, right? But you should have practiced. Why didn't you practice?
Sir, I thought 12th तक तो cram किया ही है, तो इस बार अपने thoughts express कर.
No, you are not supposed to cram. I told you, speak, think about your past life experiences, college life, school life, and just tell.
I wanted to bring up a unique topic.
That was unique, definitely. Very good. Come on. So one more time, you can clap for him. Clap for God. I forgot name. Divyansh, right? Okay, so Divyansh, you have right to make somebody stand up to speak something now.
I don't know her name.
You can say her. Okay. Rinki के लिए जोरदार clapping कर देंगे. Come on, guys. Very good. So Rinki, are you ready to speak?
Yes, sir.
Feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
So on the count of three, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Very good morning to all.
Good morning.
My name is Rinki. I am going to share a memorable day of my life. When I was studying in the 10th class, I had my pre-board exam. Immediately, I fall sick. I took leave for the 15 days. Then I back school. I found my name on the display board. I failed in the maths exam. Then I go and talk with my maths teacher. Then I said him, "Sir, would you please show my answer sheet?" Then they deny. Then I came back my class and talked with my class teacher. She was very friendly and very kind. Then I saw him, "Ma'am, would you please talk, sir?"
then on the behalf of me. Then he finally say yes, I talked him, and then they talked. After some time, sir display my answer sheet, and they came in my class. And when he gave my answer sheet, I feel very nervous. How I failed in maths exam, because it's a very hard tricks for me. Then my sir give my answer sheet. I nothing checked. I just saw my marks. After that, tears in my eyes. Then my desk partner checked my name, then he checked my roll number. It's incorrect, because there was two girls with the similar name in my class. Then I go and talk with sir, and it's not my. Then sir rectify my name, and I feel very happy. Thank you.
Good, very nice. Wow. Okay, Ricky also spoke very well without any hesitation. I think she was not nervous. Very few mistakes, but very good effort. Let's see who comes next. I think she's the last one. What's her name?
Sugandh.
So now Sugandh is coming to speak, and let's see how she speaks. Although she was looking lazy, now she will prove herself crazy. Come on the count of three, we'll start. 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, one and all present here.
Good morning.
Today I am going to speak about Mr. Ruskin Bond, an Indian author. Shall I start?
Yes.
Okay. Ruskin Bond, he is an acclaimed Indian author born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, India. He is known for his contribution to children's literature and essays, short stories. He has written over 500 stories, novels, essays, short stories as well. He is a very patriotic person. We can say that, because when India got independence, he has a chance to move to England, but he denied, as he said that I am an Indian, I was born in India, so I am an Indian and I will stay here for my entire life. He stayed in India, and he is still in Himachal Pradesh. He was also awarded with many awards. Some awards are Padma Bhushan and Sahitya Akademi Award, which is the most greatest award in Indian literature. And his contribution towards the Indian literature will never be forgotten. And he is solidifying the picture of a true literary icon. Thank you. That's my words.
Very nice, very nice. Good information. Okay, so many of you might be thinking that Ruskin Bond must be someone who is foreigner, right? But she told us he's an Indian, right? He was born in India. What about his parents? They were also Indians?
No, they were British.
Right, but he was born here, so he considered himself Indian, right? Okay, so that's very good thing that he did. He became very famous, and he wrote so many books. I have read so many books written by him. He was a very good author for children. He used to write so many books about children, for children. Very good. So let's see. You have to decide who is coming next.
Prachi is left on.
Okay, she's the last person to speak. Come on, Prachi. So Prachi will speak confidently. Come on, guys, get ready and give a huge round of clapping for Prachi, everybody. ऐसे कौन क्लैपिंग करता है? अपने सेहत के हिसाब से क्लैपिंग क्या करो बच्चे? नहीं। अगर शालू करे ऐसे कमजोर सी क्लैपिंग चलेगा, गौरव करे तो चले, बट हर्षिता ऐसे करे नहीं नहीं नहीं, जबरदस्त क्लैपिंग होनी चाहिए. Come on, Prachi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. On the count of 3, we'll start. 1, 2, 3, start.
So good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So today I will share about a moral story. Shall I start?
Yes.
So there was a story of a king. So there was a king Midas. He was very greedy. So he have too much property, but he does very greedy. So he worship God daily, and then God was really impressed with him, and he will come and tell what should you have, so want. So he said कि I touch anything, so turn into a gold. So king was say okay. King give a advice. So the king was touch anything, bed, her table, everything turn into a gold. Then he feel hungry, so he touched food. So food also turn into a gold. And then his daughter come to hug her. She was also turned into a gold. Then he realized don't be greediness, forgiveness, and he realized don't be greedy. Thank you.
Okay, it seems it was not complete story, but very good effort. But we need to focus upon he and she, where to say she, where to say he, where to say they, where to say I. We need to focus upon that, right? Sometimes you get confused. So guys, everybody has spoken. Come on, clap for everybody together. Come on, Allah clapping. Very nice. So we had a great session. You came on the so not on the stage, but you speak, right? When I gave you tasks, you spoke, and some of you made some grammatical errors, but we don't need to worry because we are still learning. In upcoming time, when we are going to have such kind of session, next time I will try to interrupt you. I will try to rectify your mistakes on the spot. Okay? So that time you cannot say that no, I will keep speaking in the same way, sir, please don't interrupt me, right? Because that would be a session of interruption. If you make some mistakes, you need to know how to correct it. That's what we are gonna do. Got it? Yes, sir. So, आज के लिए इतना काफी है, and because it's Saturday today, on Monday we will have another session, and in this session I would be giving you a topic from my side. You have no idea what topic I'm gonna speak upon. I'm gonna give you, right? So I can give you any topic, but there is something that can help you, that I would give you some names. I will tell you some names of objects. You can see in the class, you can see AC. Yes, sir. You can see the wall, you can see the picture, you can see the whiteboard, you can see the mobile, whatever you can see in this class. From them, I will give you, everybody will get one word. Like I say to you, AC. So you have to make or fabricate a story upon AC. If I say to you, a notebook, so you will have to fabricate a story, you will have to make a story based upon a notebook. It means वो चीज उस कहानी का सेंट्रल आइडिया, सेंट्रल पार्ट होना चाहिए, यानी कि वो उसी के बारे में कहानी होनी चाहिए. अगर मैंने कहा आपसे माइक, तो आप माइक के गुणगान नहीं करेंगे कि माइक के लिए ये फायदे होते हैं माइक से. नहीं नहीं नहीं, यू नीड टू टेल मी अ स्टोरी बेस्ड अपॉन अ माइक. Like I remember a few years back when I was a student in college, when I went there, I was given an opportunity to come on the stage to speak, but the mic that I was given, it was not working properly. So I tried to speak with the mic, but nobody could hear me. So I understood it was out of order. Then I told the person who was helping over there, so he came with another mic, and the mic was so fantastic, and my voice looked like Amitabh Bachchan was speaking. Whatever, right? So आपको कहानी उस पर थोड़ी बोलनी पड़ेगी, और बहुत लेंदी कहानी नहीं, 1 मिनट 1.5 मिनट की कहानी भाई. So मैं चाहता हूँ that you can become descriptive. You may have noticed many times that we want to speak more and more, but we don't have ideas to speak upon. So जब आप इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज करोगे तो आपके आइडियाज ज़्यादा बढ़िया डेवलप हो जाएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा विकसित हो जाएंगे, और बहुत अच्छे से आप बोल पाओगे. यानी छोटे से टॉपिक को, 1 किलोमीटर के टॉपिक को आप 10 किलोमीटर बोल सकते हो. This is the thing that you have to do. Okay, तो मंडे को हम करेंगे on the spot speaking. क्या करेंगे? You don't know about it what you're gonna speak. मैं बताऊंगा, but थोड़ा आइडिया आपको हो चुका है, तो घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर लेना. कैसे प्रैक्टिस करोगे? जो भी घर में चीज दिख रही, टीवी, टेलीविजन, मोबाइल और माइक्रोवेव, कोई भी चीज दिख रही है, उस पर वो कहानी बनाने की कोशिश कर रही है. कैसी कहानी? और ये दैट मस्ट बी अ पास्ट स्टोरी. कैसी कहानी होनी चाहिए? पास्ट स्टोरी. सो इज इट डिफिकल्ट? इट्स गोना बी वेरी इजी. ठीक है, उसके बाद टाइम निकाल के मंडे को हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और नए टॉपिक को करेंगे. थोड़ी हमें राइटिंग भी करते रहना है, सो दैट वी कैन गेट टू नो अबाउट आवर मिस्टेक्स, कि हम कौन से फॉर्मेशन में क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं. So मिलते हैं आपसे, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, नाइस मीटिंग यू गाइस, सी यू ऑन मंडे। वेलकम।